embark on the adventure of your dreams, where the allure of Maui captures your heart. Picture yourself amidst the rush of cascading waterfalls and the tranquility of natural pools, an escapade blending excitement with peace. Immerse yourself in thrilling aquatic adventures, from swimming with green sea turtles to surfing and whale watching. Discover outdoor excursions like hiking and biking through Halikala National Park, where every trail leads to breathtaking vistas. Take in Maui's natural beauty with scenic coastal drives, exploring charming towns and hidden gems along the way. Experience the serene beauty of Kula Lavender Farm and the botanical haven of Hosmer Grove. Immerse yourself in the laid-back Hawaiian culture, where the spirit of aloha welcomes you with open arms. Your dream destination awaits. Maui is calling. Answer the call and discover the secrets of this tropical paradise. Mahalo.